Another Amazon change for the PDP. This one is important, and I think sellers should be paying attention. My name is Francisco Valles. I'm going to tell you what we're seeing today and why it matters. We have the regular PDP, usual suspects, we have swatches, we have add to cart, buy now, subscribe and save. But look at this, add auto buy. This is a new button. It's a pretty interesting new addition because once we click on it, it gives the customer a purchasing power that it didn't have before, which is a rule-based pricing option. So if I come here and I select, let's say, auto purchase, and I go with whatever pricing options I want, and then I select quantity, starts, expires, every time that item is going to be meeting my rule-based pricing, it's going to be auto sent to my home or office or whatever I want. It's pretty interesting to see this because we might have customers that are going to our PDP and not converting, at least not yet. And now with this pricing rule, it's going to be very cool to see how that dynamic plays out. As a customer, I love it. As a seller, I hope Amazon gives us all the backend data so we understand how many people are finding the pricing to be friction as opposed to not. So pretty cool addition. Kudos to Isaac Gross for sharing this on LinkedIn. But what do you think about it, guys? Again, I'm Francisco with My Amazon Guy, and be on the lookout for auto buy information in the backend. See ya.